Allama Muhammad Iqbal was a great thinker, poet, and philosopher from Pakistan. He was born on November 9, 1877, in Sialkot, Pakistan. Iqbal was a brilliant student and got his education from Lahore, Cambridge, and Munich. He was a skilled lawyer, but his true passion was poetry and philosophy. Iqbal's poetry is famous for its beautiful words and deep meaning. He wrote in Urdu and Persian, and his poetry is still widely read and loved today. He was a strong believer in the power of imagination and the importance of following one's dreams. Iqbal was also a great leader and statesman. He was the first person to think about a separate homeland for Muslims in the subcontinent, which later became Pakistan. He believed in the importance of unity and worked tirelessly to bring Muslims together. Iqbal's vision was not limited to Pakistan only, but he wanted to see a world where all human beings could live in peace and harmony. He believed in the importance of education, justice, and equality. He was a true Muslim and believed in the teachings of the Quran and the Hadith. Iqbal's legacy continues to inspire people all over the world. He is remembered as a national hero in Pakistan, and his poetry and philosophy are still widely studied and admired. His message of hope, love, and unity is timeless and will continue to inspire generations to come. Some of his famous works include Asrar-e-Khudi, Secrets of the Self, Rumuz-e-Behudi, Mysteries of Selflessness, Payam-e-Mashriq, Message from the East. Zabur. Some of his famous works include Asrar-e-Khudi, Secrets of the Self, Rumuz-e-Behudi, Mysteries of Selflessness, Payam-e-Mashriq, Message from the East, Zabur-e-Ajam, Persian Psalms, Yavidnama, Book of Eternity. Iqbal's famous quotes include E-Ajam, Persian Psalms, Yavidnama, Book of Eternity. Iqbal's famous quotes include, "Be aware of your worth and never forget that you are a Muslim. The ultimate goal of human life is to become what one is meant to be. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The vision of the Quran is the vision of human destiny." The universe is not a collection of distinct objects, but a continuum, where every point is interconnected with every other point.